Hello and welcome back to my channel. Give me just a minute to walk to my magic board where I can explain the topic for today much better. Today I will give you informations about null-coalescing operator in C#. Welcome to C# tips and tricks in 300 seconds. In today's rapid tutorial, we'll demystify the null-coalescing operator. This operator is a game changer for null checks, allowing you to write cleaner and more concise code. Let's dive in. The null-coalescing operator is a convenient and concise operator in C# that provides a way to handle null values and expressions. It's particularly useful for simplifying null checks and providing default values when dealing with nullable types or potential null references. The basic syntax of the null-coalescing operator is as follows. Here's how it works. If expression 1 is non-null, the result is the value of expression 1. If expression 1 is null, the result is the value of expression 2. In other words, it returns the left operand, expression 1, if it's not null. Otherwise, it returns the right operand, expression 2. Consider a scenario where you want to assign a default value to a string variable if it's null. If getUsername returns a non-null value, result will be assigned the value of username. If getUsername returns null, result will be assigned the default value guessed. This operator is especially useful for simplifying code and making it more readable when dealing with potentially nullable values. It's a powerful tool in C# for handling null scenarios efficiently. Feel free to check out my other videos on my channel with all topics that you need. You miss one? Just let me know using the comments.